Hi, I'm James of British Customs. Today we're going to install this clutch badge on this 2022 Triumph Street Twin. So we're going to start by removing these two screws with your 4mm hex bit. Start with the bottom first. That way, when you take the top one out, you can take the badge right with it and you don't have to worry about dropping it. Pull the screws out. And we get the new one. Put it on. Put a little bit of blue Loctite on there. I'm going to start the top one, but don't make it tight yet until we get the bottom one in. Put a little blue Loctite. Put the bottom in. Just make it finger tight. Get to the top, tighten that down. And torque it to 4 Newton meters. And that's it. We're going to install this British Customs ACG badge on this 2022 Triumph Street Twin. Okay, using your 4mm hex bit, take out the old screws. To install this cover, we're going to reuse the old screws. Use a little blue Loctite. That would help. Tighten it up. The torque on these screws is 4 Newton meters. If you don't have a torque wrench that low, it's basically hand tight. That's it.